being in the kitchen is my meditation and my calm. I'm Amanda Cordony and I am the food editor for the Australian House and Garden magazine. I am a mum to Xavier and Sarah, and I love cooking. I literally do it every day of my life. We grew up in families that revolve around food, and that's where my love of food comes from. I think it's my way of showing true love. Today I am cooking curry chicken broth bowls. Chicken is such a quick protein to sear and cook when it's marinated beautifully with yogurt and lemon and curry and, all those beautiful flavours. You can choose your own toppings, makes it very hands-on and fun. I'm getting the kids to cook with me, so they're also learning. So it's really convenient for us to have it for our weeknight dinners. To be able to get together, just to sit as a whole family and keeping those beautiful connections sacred. I think that's really important, and it's important to share that with the kids because then they move through life having that connection with family. I really want to show people that you can enjoy the kitchen, not be stressed, and produce a beautiful meal.